It is weather alert. That's why we issue weather alerts when we see radar that looks like this. Out to our west, we have warnings stretching from the Red River all the way down to Comanche County. And we've got a couple of clusters that originated, and now it's all starting to be a line. We'll zoom down a little bit closer here, and you can see the warnings out. We'll detail those out in just a moment here, but we're under a thunderstorm watch in our western counties till 11 p.m. We're still expecting the watch to be extended into the Metroplex later on this evening, because right now it does not include Johnson, Tarrant, or Denton County, but Wise and parts of Parker County, all of Parker County and everything off to the west. So we will start out wide. Our Jason McLaughlin is out, by the way. We've already put him in motion heading out to the west. So you can see there's nothing going on around the Metroplex. We expect that activity here 9, 10 o'clock. But as we zoom down, look what's going on down in Brown County. This is a tornado warning that is just starting to form up, and Scott Padgett is running the radar for me here. We can see this tornado warning till 7 p.m. and watch this box. And right there, we can see clearly this circulation that's actually been going on for about 20 minutes now, and the warning was issued about 10 minutes ago as this thing really started to wind up here as we're Scott's circling that area of gate to gate where green's next to red, and that shows you the rotation going on. And we're seeing winds. Now this is the radar out of the dais out of Abilene. You know, we're seeing these 60-mile-per-hour winds off the surface here, but we'll be tracking this. This is still not quite in our area. This is just to the west of Comanche County. This is also south of Rising Star or Cross Plains, if you're familiar with these cities. So there is the first tornado warning. We've been getting thunderstorm warnings since 4 o'clock. So put it back to reflectivity and widen the view, Scott, because what we want to talk about is how this whole line is morphing. So let's move it a little bit further off to the west here. And so what's happened, we started as 2 groups of thunderstorms. Let's put it about an hour track on this, Scott, and you can see that this line starting to form up right here. So what's going to happen, we think, is this line solidifies and then starts rolling towards the Metroplex. So we think this is more like probably 9, 10 o'clock that we're going to be dealing with it in the Metroplex. But it's a weather alert for the strong to severe thunderstorms along and west of I-35 with large hail and damaging wind and isolated flooding the main threat here. And again, this timing, we had to wait for these thunderstorms to start forming up. But you can see how this line that's starting to form all of a sudden starts to roll more west to east and coming in towards the Metroplex. I'll stop it at 9 o'clock, and you can see it right over Dead Center Parker getting into Tarrant. And then as we cross the next couple of hours, it moves right from west to east, and this will all be severe weather we expect and present those threats of large hail and damaging winds and isolated flooding. Now, in the overnight hours, we're done with all this, but the hail we're expecting from these thunderstorms is going to be significantly sized hail. We have a large area of a hatched area, and that's when the Storm Prediction Center says not only is there good chances of hail, the hail could be 2 inches in diameter or larger. So we're approaching tennis ball size hail they're talking about here with wind damage. They're talking about winds also over 70 miles an hour with these thunderstorms. So this is a significant threat, but the tornado threat is not zero, by the way. We've already had 1 warning out down in Brown County, and isolated flooding, of course, because there's going to be tremendous rains with these. So if you're out this evening, it's a Saturday night out and across the Metroplex, you need to keep an eye out to the west because the storm's coming in. You do not want to be outside when they're coming over. This is going to be some significant storm activity we expect and some very heavy rain in areas, maybe as much as over an inch, close to 2 inches in some areas, so heavy rain as well. Real quick about tomorrow. Tomorrow's forecast, we'll wake up, it'll be 70, it'll be humid, there'll be some clouds around, the clouds will build up, it'll be another hazy day. We'll get into the upper 80s, just like today. And just like today, we expect along the dry line some thunderstorms to form and start to move from west to east towards us as we cross into the evening. So already the Storm Prediction Center has this yellow area showing the slight risk of severe weather with large hail and damaging winds in store for us. And we will continue to watch that threat through the afternoon and evening. And again, we're into a hatched area with hail 2 inches or larger. By the way, I'm going to show you the 7-day in a second. You're going to see pops in the forecast every day, and they get up to 50, 70% by the end of the week. look at the forecasted rain amount for the next 7 days. You see this area in red? I mean, it's dead center over North Texas. This represents 4 inches or more of rain. So this could end up to be an extremely wet pattern. By next week, we're going to have temperatures in the 80s, and you can see these rain chances get into the 60-70% chance for Friday and Saturday. So we'll be bringing you up to date. Scott Padgett, our chief meteorologist, on site now. We are going to be cutting in around the coverage of the shooting as the night goes on, as the severe weather threat will increase for the Metroplex as we get towards 9 or 10 o'clock.